Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have a special for you. Finally, I received the Pimax Sword Controllers. So if you don't know them, they are similar than the Valve Index controllers, and the Valve Index controllers count as the best controllers in the VR market. And so I'm really looking forward to try the Pimax Swords. But this video will be about the unboxing, because Pimax sent them to me because I'm an advanced tester of the Pimax Swords. So the hardware that you will see in the unboxing is final, but the software is not. So I will help Pimax a little bit to improve the stuff and to tell them, yeah, this is good, this is not good, or something like that. So the hardware is final, the software is not. So I'm looking forward to unbox that. Thank you to my sponsors, VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Peter Wasmer, Virtual Escape, Slim Beats and Pimax. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, and here we are. So this is the package. It's pretty simple. Only thing that's written here is Pimax Sword. And here's Pimax controller model sword. Okay. It says open here. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's open that. Oh yes. So looks pretty good. So let's check it out now. Here we go. So we have a small something here. It only says get user guide at pimax.com. I would expect a QR code here so that we have the link directly, but I think it's fine. Then here we have two. That's one, and that's two batteries that are even in a separate case here, and they are Kingma for Sony MPBX1, 3.66 volts, 1090 milliampere hours, Type X, whatever. Nice. So two of them, and here are two cables. These are USB-A to USB-C cables, 1, 2, pretty long cable. And now, here we go. Let's get them out of here. There's nothing more inside here, I think, no. So let's get this way here. So, guys, here we have the Pimax swords. And as you can see, they look pretty similar than the Index controllers, especially with this hand strap here. But as you also can see, we have the touchpad version here. So as you perhaps know, when the Kickstarter campaign started, we could choose between touchpad and joystick or thumbstick. Yeah. So this is not my version that I backed. I also backed the Pimax sword controllers, but but with the thumbstick. So this is the version that I get from the advanced tester from Pimax. So we have the touchpad here. So I prefer thumbstick, but I will try it with the touchpad now. And what I instantly notice is that there is a button missing. So normally I would say we have the A and B button here on the Index controllers and the menu button. But here one button is missing. I don't know. Perhaps it's the push of the touchpad. I don't know. And the same at the other side. So button, 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 and the touchpad. And here we have the trigger buttons. Click is pretty nice. And a huge difference to the Index controllers is that we have grip buttons that we can push. I mean, the sword controllers also have finger tracking. Yeah, it can track your fingers, and but they are deactivated. As I said, the hardware is final, but the software is not. So it takes some more days or weeks, or I don't know, so that I can try the finger tracking. That's why I will only show you an unboxing now. The later video will be, I don't know, about everything. I don't want to show you a video with something that is not final yet on the software. So to be honest, I think that's a good idea to have a separate grip button, because with the index controller, some games have problems with the grip function, so that you can push together the controller, and sometimes you lose your sword or something like that. And perhaps with the sword controller you can deactivate that function for several games, so that you have a normal grip button. So I prefer this because it has a separate button. But this is only my opinion. Some people perhaps think, why on earth do we need that button? I don't know. So that's it, and let's just check other things out here. What I really so the hand strap is the same like the index controller, and look at this. But for the index controller we have this setting here, but it stays at the same place. But this one has it snaps back to the right position. I don't know what I should think about it. Perhaps it's better, perhaps not. I will try it over time then, a long time. So when I slide my hands through that and pull the cord here, then it stays at the correct position here. That's interesting. Very interesting. So, and then we have this button here to release that. And here we have the USB-C connector, the same with the other controller. So that's it. And of course, what do you think when you first see the controllers? Yes, the big rings here, they are really huge, and I'm still not, I don't know if that disturbs while playing. So when we aim, this is no problem perhaps when we use a small pistol with grip button, but I think that's possible. I think it will be fine, but I will try if that is disturbing the big rings here or not. I mean, they look pretty cool. The controllers look pretty cool, like really these swords, and we will see. So guys, that's the unboxing of the controllers. What I can also show you is the battery pack here. So this is magnetic. Yeah, you just remove it here, and then you can push the battery here. I'm still not 100% sure how to close that. Oh, I am. Okay, it's closed now. Nice. So these are the sword controllers. So I will help Pimax with the software a little bit and try different things and so on and so on. And after that, when everything is final about the software, then I will do a review about this. So write it in the comments what you expect from me to see in a review of these controllers. What do you want to try me and see, and what do you want to know? Everything. So guys, I hope you liked it. If you want to support me and get behind the scenes videos, early access to my videos, and then support me on Patreon or YouTube membership, or just go via my Amazon links and buy your stuff there, then you pay nothing extra and support me for free. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up, hit the bell, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE